We all know that spending too much time in front of screens, dealing with low light, and exposure to UV rays can take a toll on our eyes. But did you know that some fruits and veggies are like superfoods for your vision? They contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost eye health, sharpen your vision, and even help fight off certain eye diseases like macular degeneration. Today, we're going to explore 7 fabulous fruits that can make a real difference for your eyes. But before we get into these juicy fruits, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. 7. Orange. We've all heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but did you know that oranges are incredible for your eyes? Oranges are packed with vitamin C, and just one a day can help protect you from macular degeneration, a condition that causes vision loss in the center of your field of vision. Vitamin C helps your body form and maintain connective tissues, including collagen in your cornea, keeping your vision sharp. A fascinating 15-year study followed 2,856 adults over the age of 49 and found some pretty exciting results. The researchers discovered that eating an orange could reduce your chances of developing macular degeneration by a whopping 58%. Imagine what daily consumption could do. The secret lies in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants found in many fruits and veggies, including oranges. These flavonoids are not only great for your eyes, but also have anti-inflammatory benefits for your immune system. The study also looked at other common foods rich in flavonoids, like tea, apples, and red wine. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp and your eyes healthy, ensure you add oranges to your diet. Your eyes will thank you. 6. Mango. Have you ever thought of mangoes as good fruits for your eyes? Well, they are. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that act like natural sunglasses, absorbing excess light and protecting your retina from harmful blue light. That means better protection against digital screens and bright sunlight. They also enhance your ability to see clearly by boosting contrast. But that's not all. Mangoes are an excellent source of vitamin A, a vital nutrient for eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye, and prevents night blindness and other vision issues. Plus, mangoes have been shown to protect against ultraviolet rays and slow the progression of cataracts, which are cloudings of the eye's lens that can lead to vision loss. So, how do you get more of these eye-loving fruits into your diet? It's easy. Enjoy them as a snack, blend them into smoothies, or use them in recipes like mango salsa or chutney. And the best part is, there's no bad time to eat a mango. Whether it's morning, midday, evening, or night, this seasonal fruit is always a great choice. 5. Bananas. Bananas have earned their place in the diet of anyone looking to prevent sight loss, and here's why. First, bananas contain potassium, which is fantastic for eye health, especially if you suffer from dry eyes. Potassium is a key component of the tear film that keeps your eyes moist and maintains film thickness, ensuring your eyes stay comfortable and hydrated. Bananas are also a good source of vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining normal vision. Vitamin A is a vital part of rhodopsin, the protein that lets you see in low-light conditions. And there's more. Bananas contain magnesium, which can improve blood flow to your eyes. This might help with conditions like ocular hypertension or glaucoma, where maintaining proper eye pressure is essential. So, how can you get more bananas into your diet? They're perfect for a quick snack, great sliced over cereal, blended into smoothies, or even baked into bread and muffins. No matter how you enjoy them, bananas are a delicious way to boost your eye health. 4. Apricots. These little fruits are loaded with compounds that your eyes need, including vitamins A and E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that goes straight to your eyes, shielding them from free radical damage. This helps keep your eyes healthy and functioning well over time. In addition, apricots get their yellow-orange color from beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision and overall eye health. And there's more to these vibrant fruits. Apricots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin. As we mentioned earlier, these carotenoids are found in the lenses and retinas of your eyes, where they play a crucial role in protecting against oxidative stress. This means they help defend your eyes from harmful light and maintain your vision as you age. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for some apricots. They are a delicious way to keep your vision sharp and your eyes protected. 3. Papaya. Did you know papaya is rich in organic compounds that contribute to maintaining sharp and healthy vision, particularly as you age? Its abundance of beneficial phytochemicals makes it a standout fruit in supporting ocular health. Let's find out how. One of the standout compounds in papaya is lycopene. This powerful antioxidant is known for its ability to prevent inflammation and oxidative stress in age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. Lycopene specifically helps protect the retinal pigment epithelium, an essential part of the retina that's necessary for maintaining healthy vision. Papaya also has carotene, the compound responsible for its vibrant orange color. Carotene is linked to improving vision and preventing night blindness, making it a major compound in maintaining clear and sharp eyesight. But that's not all. Papaya contains zeaxanthin, another potent antioxidant. Zeaxanthin acts like a natural filter, blocking out harmful blue light rays. This protective role is vital for eye health and may help ward off macular degeneration. Whether you eat it fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to a fruit salad, papaya is a fantastic way to boost your vision health and keep your eyes in top shape. 2. Blueberries. If you've ever wondered why blueberries and other dark-hued fruits are hailed as vision heroes, we have an answer. It's all thanks to anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their vibrant colors. These violet-hued fruits are loaded with anthocyanins that not only strengthen the collagen structure in your retina, but also provide extra protection for your vision. They work wonders by lowering high blood pressure and inflammation. That's crucial for maintaining optimal eye function, especially if you're dealing with conditions like normal tension glaucoma. And here's a bonus. Anthocyanins act like natural sunglasses for your eyes when you're out in the sun, shielding your retina from UVB light damage. Other foods that are purple, blue, or dark red, such as pomegranates, blackberries, cranberries, and grapes, also contain these antioxidants. Research suggests that regularly enjoying these antioxidant-rich berries can play a significant role in preserving the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, central vision. By maintaining its structural integrity and function, blueberries especially offer a natural defense against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is a common cause of vision loss as we grow older. 1. Avocado. You can enjoy avocados in salads, dips, soups, sandwiches, or even on their own to reap their eye health benefits. Packed with beta-carotene and vitamins B6, C, and E, avocados are also a great source of lutein. Lutein is crucial for preventing macular degeneration, cataracts, and other age-related eye issues. Although a medium avocado contains a modest 0.5 milligrams of lutein, studies have shown this amount is highly effective at increasing serum lutein levels. Specifically, lutein from avocados increase serum lutein by 0.93 nanomoles per liter per mg, compared to 0.22 nanomoles per liter per mg from supplements. Avocados also contain significant vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cellular membranes from oxidative damage. While not as rich in omega-3 fatty acids as fatty fish, avocados do provide a modest amount, which is essential for the cell membranes in the retina. Incorporating avocados into your diet can significantly boost your lutein levels and enhance macular pigment density, MPD, which is vital for visual function and overall eye health. So, whether you mix them into a meal or enjoy them on their own, avocados are a delicious way to support your vision. There are countless ways to enjoy these fruits. Whether you blend them into a refreshing smoothie, add them to your favorite desserts, or toss them into a vibrant fruit salad, incorporating these tasty treats into your diet can significantly contribute to maintaining healthy eyes. However, remember that regular eye checkups with your ophthalmologist are crucial for detecting any potential underlying eye issues early on. That wraps up our discussion for today. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching.